Guys, welcome back to Dave Doc DIY. Today I'm going to show you how to change the filter on your Waterdrop filtration system. Now, this is the filtration system that you can have hooked up directly to your faucet so you get filtered water coming straight out of it. I already have a tutorial on how to install this. I'm going to show you how to change the filter. I also want you to know at the end of this, I'm going to be opening up the old Waterdrop filter just to see how good of a job it's done filtering my water over the last year or so. Now, the first thing you want to do is shut off your water. Now, this is the only thing you might need a tool for. I'm just going to grab my pliers right here because this is a little bit seized up. I'm not going to crank on this too hard. Sometimes you may need to hold back on your pipe so you don't have any leaks. But as you can see, all I needed to do was just give it a little bit of convincing right there, and now we're getting this shut off. You're going to want to come up top here and just make sure that your cold water is shut off so you're not going to pull out this filter and have water flooding all over the bottom of your sink. Now, I took my packaging off of my filter. We're just going to remove this plastic nozzle right here. I have a little container underneath here and a towel just in case any water comes out. We're going to do a quarter turn here. As you can see, we are getting a little bit of water out. That's it. We're going to grab our new filter. We're going to slide this on here. We're going to do that same quarter turn. Locked in. We're good. I'm going to turn on the water to my faucet. I have my faucet turned off up top. We're going to turn this on and make sure we don't have any leaks down here first. Right. We seem to have pressurized. Now it's time to go up to the faucet. Now what you're going to want to do, you're going to want to turn on your cold line here. You're going to let all of this stuff flush out of here. And you're going to want to set a timer because they suggest for you to flush this filter out for 5 minutes before use. Now, I've got to say, I'm curious to see what the inside of my filter looks like. Like I said, I've probably ran this thing for over a year, probably well past what I should have. So let's go open this up and see how good of a job it's been doing filtering our water out. This poor guy got stuck up there. All right, so here's our old one. I'm here at my paint cleaning area of my house. What we're gonna do is just grab the Sawzall here because I don't think you can just pry this open. I'm going to cut right across here. Obviously, there's going to be some specks from the plastic. We're not going to judge our filter off of that. Let's cut this top off and see what's inside. Whoa. Oh, yeah. I would say that this filter has been doing its job. Wow. After you flushed out your filter for 5 minutes and you don't see any leaks in here on the filter, you're good to throw everything back in here and turn it off. So when it comes to these Waterdrop filters, I'm a big believer in them. As you can see, I don't even have well water. And it's fairly obvious how well this is doing its job. You can kind of see the white color of the filter down there, but this is all the stuff that's getting out of your water, stuff that you really don't want in it, honestly. So I swear by it. I'm a big fan of it. Do I suggest purchasing one for the price? Absolutely. If you have any questions about the Waterdrop filter, please leave them below. I appreciate a like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel as we're pushing towards 100,000 here. And if you're looking for more homeowner and DIY tips, Dave Doc DIY. Thanks for watching.